I was walking my dog yesterday listening to the old videos that X1 put out, and I'm listening to the fishing and boating one. And there's this part where he says, so what are troves? Why do we want to have troves? And then he goes on to say, essentially like, well, you're hearing it here for the first time, but troves are going to be the thing that you give to your uppies, because the discoverable uppies on the map are going to be requesting that you fill recipes. And so you'll have to get these troves to fill the recipes so that you can befriend the uppies so that you can mint them. And thinking back to that conversation on Monday where it was like, what about the mini game? I think that that's the video where X1 is essentially announcing that is the mini game. There's been some discussion about that, so I just wanted to say I think I found the exact spot where it got announced.